Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys, and in today's video we will be doing a very quick review of our multi-trend uGenesys indicator. Now this was another indicator that I created specifically for beginners, and it helps you to understand the different trends in the market, and it also very good for showing you exactly when a trend begins. Okay, now I'm going to insert it on my chart right now so that you can take a look. So let's go to custom and let's just add it right here. Okay, very good. So it's a very simple indicator. It has the arrows which indicate when a particular trend has started, and it also shows you the overall master trend. All right, so all of this represents the trend of the market. So this is GJ right now, and it's basically saying that GJ is bullish. Okay, so GJ is trending up. So if you're going to take any alerts from this indicator, you would only take the buy alerts. Okay, so it's a very simple indicator. It shows you the overall market trend, and it shows you the intra trend that's on the different time frames. So right now this is the 1 hour time frame. If we go to the 4 hour, we'll see the 4 hour trend. This is also up. Let's see the daily. Okay, so the daily is still bearish, but guys, you have to remember that when a trend changes, it usually changes on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 30-minute, and the 15-minute first before it gets to even the daily. Okay, so if you're going to be using this indicator, please pay attention to these 4 time frames: 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour, because this is where the trends begin. Okay, now it also shows you what session that you're trading. So if it's Asian, it'll show you Asian. If it's European USA, which is right now, it will show you just to let you know what's happening. All right, you can use this as a form of swing trading. So what some of my students do is that some of them, they don't even bother to use the master trend right here. They just enter a trade on a 4 hour or daily, and they just stay in that trade for an extended period of time. Okay, so for example, you can see here this sell trade right here, and then this fell about 200, almost 300 pips. All right, and it's the same thing that's happening right now. So this current buy trend that we're in, it started, let's see when this started. It started on the 8th of February. All right, and this right now we're at February 14. And during this time, the market is up about 210 pips, because this is GJ. And as you know, GJ moves very, very well. All right. So my recommended pairs for this indicator are anything with a GBP. So you can use GBP Swiss, GBP USD, GBP CAD, because the GBP pairs move very quickly. So let me just go back through all of this. Hold on. Let me just disable this. Let me just go back through all of this so you can see all the trends and everything. Guys, you can see it's a very accurate indicator. But if you want to improve your accuracy, just make sure that you're using the master trend. Okay, master trend is very important. If the 15-minute, 30-minute, and the 1 hour are saying up, then you should definitely start looking for buy signals. If the 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1 hour are saying down, you should be looking for bearish signals, sell signals. All right. The 4 hour is kind of optional, because you have to remember, like I said, the trends start on the smaller time frames first before they get to the bigger time frames. Okay, guys. But it's a very good indicator for beginners. As you can see, it's very accurate. My team spent a lot of time programming this indicator for beginners. All right. So I'm going to put the link to this indicator in the description of this video so that you guys can have access to it. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you next time.